let's try to remember, what did we cover yesterday? Okay, I'll give you a tip. Let's just start with this guy. Okay. We were talking about right-angled triangles, right? Why triangles? Triangles actually? Because it's trigonometry, which is about measuring triangles. Okay, good. Hold on. Sorry. Maybe I didn't ask it clearly before. Are we ready?
Yes.
Sorry, I got an answer about a third of you. Are we ready?
Yes.
That's better. Great. This is what we drew, right? And then we labeled a few things. For instance, we called this angle theta, which is a Greek letter. Now, by the way, is a good time, even though I only introduced two to you yesterday. I might, because they appear in this exercise you're about to do, I might just tell you a few more Greek letters, and maybe you want to write them down as well. Theta was the first one that we did. The other one was alpha. Okay. Now, I actually honestly don't know why theta tends to be the most common one you see. Alpha is actually the first letter of the Greek alphabet. Right? I'm not joking, that's where it comes from. Okay. Now, alpha, the next letter is, it's a B with a tail on it, and you'll see that. And that's beta. Okay. Beta. Or beta. Right? After that is gamma. It kind of looks like this. Gamma. Okay.
So do you know how
Yes, this is exactly where it
So
comes
do you
from.
know how it's actually pronounced?
Gamma?
No.
How's it pronounced? Say it again. Oh, I can't say that. I don't know the right. Okay, I'm not going to embarrass myself with anyone. Now, there's a few more. I'm just going to start writing them down, and you can copy them with me. As we go further, they become kind of less common, okay? Alpha, beta, gamma, delta is the next one. Delta. Now, by the way, just like in English, don't worry about it, Jacob. Just like in English, letters have capitals and lowercase. These ones all are lowercase. Delta, the capital delta, you've actually been using for a long time, just not in maths. You've been using it in science. So that's the capital for delta, and it usually means
Me too. I was like, have we really?
if you write chemical equations like NaCl plus heat, blah blah blah. Anyway, it means change. It still means the same thing in maths as well. Epsilon is next. Capital epsilon looks like this, and little epsilon looks like that, backwards.
That's how I write my E's.
Epsilon.
Well, you're good.
So it's a backwards number 3. Those are your first 5 letters, and then the next ones. That's right.
Wow, you have to add.
Yeah, thank you for that. The next, they're all kind of randomly assorted from there. So, for instance, another one that you've been writing for a while is this guy.
Hi.
Pi. There's also, if you write pi, but instead of writing 2 lines down there, if you just do one, the curvy one, like that, that's tau.
Oh, so it's just PI.
Yeah. No E on the end. That's the animal thing. If you do a circle and you chuck a line through it like that, that's phi. There's another one. These ones all here are all lowercase, and these ones are capitals. But there's one that I actually don't know what the lowercase is. I only know what the capital is, and that's sigma. Yeah.
Sigma con.
Okay. Sigma. Yeah, kind of. So that's sigma. So it's used in a lot of places because it's the Greek letter that corresponds to an S. It often is used in maths to indicate a sum, S for sum. When you're adding up a whole bunch of things, there's a whole topic in year, is it year 11 or is it year 12? Called sigma notation, but that's for later. Okay, yep.
Is sigma used in differentiation?
Kind of, not really. It's not the main place, but yeah. Luke.
What's the third from the water?
Tau, T-A-U. Another important one, which doesn't come up so much in maths,
Omega.
is omega.
Easy way to remember these?
you'll just use them and you'll write them over and over again, and that's pretty much it. Now I think that's a
It's
pretty
like science and maths.
that's a pretty reasonable list. I think. It's not so much that it's science and maths combined. It's that scientists and mathematicians, they all turned to the Greeks because the Greeks did heaps of science and maths. So that's right. So there you go. You'll see a whole bunch of these. Now you know what they mean.